Alright guys, let me just tell you what I'm doing. Um, I'm trying to remove good metal from this dishwasher to use for projects. I feel like um, this nice galvanized metal that will never rust is really great for a lot of my inventions, so I need it. Trying to remove it from the plastic. Woo! Got it. I did not pull out your speakers. These are all great raw materials for inventions. Tired of just using fiberglass. I want to use metal sometimes, you know? This metal is totally waterproof. It will never rust. It's such good metal. Oh, there we go. It's a big piece of metal now. I don't care about all this plastic. I just want the good metal. This is some thick metal. Look at this. You can make machines with metal like this and welding it and stuff. And brazing it. This plastic is still good too for projects, but I feel like plastic's easier to get. I don't know. I can't save too much, you know? Okay, this has a lot of good stuff. This is all metal, and this is the electronic circuit board right here. I want to take this whole thing off. Like there's some kind of diaper on the top of this. It's like absorbs stuff. I guess it collects the condensation that builds up on here, so it doesn't show on the outside to the customer in the kitchen. It's kind of interesting. I did not skip leg day. Alright, so this is some kind of real flimsy metal, but it's still great for projects, and that'll be easy to cut it, and you could use it for, I could use it for my HVAC project. I could use this, I wish I knew what material this is. I guess it's steel. It's just really thin. It's really thin steel sheet metal, but it's galvanized. Painted really pretty white on one side, powder coated. So this will just be great for the outside of like my homemade welder or whatever. I mean, this thing could be used for so much stuff. It's amazing. I'm really interested in this heavy galvanized heavy sheet metal here on the other side of this door. I want to try to remove it. Ah! Noise! It was like a plastic ribbon holding it on. Got the circuit board. It's got some good relays. Some good capacitors. A nice transformer. Some nice resistors. Oh, it's gel coated. They coated the heck out of this thing with a clear coating. That's awesome. Gotta get this thing apart. Ah! This is nice metal, man. Building my own power supplies. Stuff for Atom. I could create hinges and stuff. Any type of kayaking motor type thing. I could use this for propellers or different arms and stuff. This is really good galvanized sheet metal steel. It's heavier grade than a desktop PC. It's just amazing for any type of robotics project. This stuff is excellent. It's also good shielding for a power supply or something where you don't want electromagnetic radiation escaping it. So I had to get this stuff, man. Had to.